Drink before you meet him. Okay, so if you want to stay juicy, fresh and down there, please, this is a disclaimer: do not drink this and meet someone else's husband. Okay, drink this and meet your own husband, because this will drive him crazy. So I just want to show you how you're going to make this and drink it before you meet him, so you will see what is going to happen. It's very good for ladies out there. So if you just want to make yourself feel fresh and sweeten up everything and stay juicy, fresh, try it and thank me later. So watch and see how we are going to be doing this recipe. The good thing about it is very natural, all natural ingredients and very organic, 100% no side effects, so you don't have to worry about anything. Okay guys, you are going to get okra, cut 3 or 2 pieces like you see, and dates, so cut them into small cubes. I hope you all know dates, so cut them into small cubes and put in a cup of your own choice. Mix the okra and dates together as you see me do. So kindly combine them together and add very hot water, very hot water. So let it stay about 1 minute. As it stays, keep on stirring. You are going to see that it's getting sticky, or it's getting thick, as you can see. So you can strain after 1 minute and then drink. Okay, thank me later. This is very good, very natural, refreshing and juicy. Drink it and thank me later, ladies. Okay, it's everything, and you can drink it constantly. It doesn't matter how many times you take it, just try it and see the results. Thank me later.